it's officially day one, and I decided not to do much today. Just stay indoors, have a good rest, enjoy the weather, which is so good. I'll take you outside. But first, today I'm going to learn how to prepare pilau. Let me show you what's on fire. There's the meat that they are boiling so far with spices on inside. Yep. And then this is the ingredients. This is rice, tomato puree, some spices, garlic and ginger, and then there's onion and some salt and some oil. Yep, that's just about the ingredients for the food. I know. So anyways, let me take you outside. My very good friend is hosting me here in Kenya, and oh my god, she's on like the story building. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah. So the weather. See, forgive how I am looking, but let me show you. Oh, the beauty of Nairobi. Oh la la. Right? It's like high-rise buildings all over, and oh my goodness, I'm just in love. The weather is not too hot, it's not too cold. I mean, it drizzled a while ago. Let me show you the surrounding of where I am. See? There's like a whole drying line where people in this apartment dry their things. I'm like, yeah, you guys are so organized. And look around. So it's kind of cloudy and the sun is out. Look at buildings all over, all over. So it feels like I'm on the tallest building. Oh, there's a basket. Oh, okay. I was so sleepy last night. I didn't even know what was going on. I didn't even know where we were passing and all of that. I just passed out. So if you've not checked my previous video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen and continue our meals. Oh my god, there's like plantation here. Someone's little garden or like a farm down there. See? Oh, I love things like this. I'm curious. I want to enter to know what kind of plants they are or food crops. And there's like another one in the forest over there. See, a lot of high-rise and buildings all over. Yo, Kenya. I can live here. I can live here. Anyways, enough of the talking. Let's go into the kitchen to learn how to prepare pilau. I have had pilau in Tanzania, so I'm excited to try it again. This time, the Kenya aspect of it. I'm definitely sure there might be maybe taste in, like difference in taste, but I think they're literally the same. But anyways, I'm having a good time. Let's just stay tuned. I'm having a good time. Good time already. I feel at home and all of that good stuff. So let's get into the kitchen. Boiling, it has to steam very well. So now we're cutting onions. The next one is frying the meat. Now we've got onions and stuff in it. Oh, this is nice. salt. When you were steaming the meat, did you put any sauce inside? No spices too? Just the meat and steam. Okay. And what? Garlic and ginger mix inside next. Guys, the spices I showed you earlier on, that's what she just added to it. The aroma smells good. Wash the rice. I'm coming to drain it now. So why do you use the tomato inside? Water. I think pilau is such a quick food. Oh, and she lowered the fire to make it steam. So now the food is going to boil just as how we prepare rice. Similar to we Ghanaians cooking angwamo, which is oil rice. We pour oil, onion, the beef, salted beef, and literally add the rice, mix, boil, and it's ready. And I think it has the same with that of the pilau, but I know we don't add spices to our angwamo, and I think that's the difference it forms with what they prepare. My mouth is already watering, and oh yeah, the tomato paste is to just give it a pop of color, and I know others prepare it without the tomato paste. So if you're from Kenya or from any East African countries and you prepare these meals, please let me know in the comment section. Are there varieties or different ways in preparing pilau aside from what you're watching today? Please let me know. So whilst we wait for the meal to get cooked, oh, I'm preparing my stomach. I'm excited. So this is how it's looking now. Okay. Alright. Still cooking. Still. Okay, now. Food is ready. Oh wow.
Are you going to taste?
Yes. It's hot. Let me take it in. It's giving jollof, but it's not jollof. It's pilau. Like, look. So if they don't include the tomato paste inside, it's gonna look a bit white. Oh, I love it. About to try it. So much. I'm excited to give this a try. So hot. Okay. So it's the spice that makes it. I mean, it makes it different from what we cook back home. This is good. Let me just put this here. The meat is so fresh. So fresh. It makes the food good. So fresh. I can't stop eating. If you add chili to it, gone. Thank you guys for joining me. Experience pilau in Kenya. I hope you get to try this at home or visit Kenya to try. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share this to your friends, loved ones, and alien enemies. They might find this useful.